That nigga cook. That nigga cook. I love it too. You Smith on the beat. I'm in the kitchen, pots and pans and I'm in the kitchen, pots and pans. I'm in the kitchen, pots and pans, no recipe books, no books. Ain't have a choice, no way. Whip up some dope and mess up with the crook. This one had to give me some money. And if I get caught, just look out for my book. Look out, Bobby Flay in the kitchen, on the money mission. Just watch the way that I cook. Cook it, young nigga cook, cook. Young nigga cook, cook. Young nigga cook, cook. Young nigga cook, whip. Stuck in the kitchen, on the money mission. Just watch the way that I cook. Cook it, young nigga cook, cook it. Young nigga cook. Put you to work like something loose out. Stuck doing dishes ain't else kitchen. Your bitch got tools, she did. I'm so froze that she got shook. We on your block, we shoot shots. No hood, baby. Pass a bitch like a basketball. I'm taking no look, switch. Step in the club. Bare feet, we talking barefoot. That's not these niggas be hating on me and it's necessary. I know. Smoke the L, cause I'm legendary.
What's good, everybody? Luz from Midwest Customs. Los Magnificos Car Show, here we come. We got them ready. Some of us have not slept yet. We're tired, but that doesn't stop us. We hustlers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We're all over. We're worldwide on YouTube. Check out our website, www.midwestcustomstx.com. We do a little bit of everything here. Your one-stop shop. We do complete paint jobs, restorations, window tint, alarms, systems. I'll show you right now this custom audio system we did in about, what, 2 nights? Theme is an iceberg. You'll get to see it at the Magnificos Car Show. Midwest Customs Z28, Midwest Customs Denali. It's Friday, the weekend. Enjoy, people. For now, peace out.